In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text on Weebly. This is a simple yet crucial skill for anyone looking to tailor their website's layout and ensure it looks just the way you want. Whether you're adjusting your website for aesthetics or functionality, knowing how to move text around is essential. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to access the proper tools that will get you started. Begin by navigating to Square's free appointment scheduling software and booking app. You can find this by simply searching online to get to the right page. This serves as an entry point, allowing you to manage your Weebly site with a few clicks. Once you've reached the site, the next step is to sign in. Click on the sign in button, which you'll usually see at the top right of the page. Enter your credentials to access your Square dashboard. It's important to have your login details handy to streamline the process and avoid unnecessary delays. After logging in, head over to the Square dashboard. This is your main control center where you can manage various aspects of your services. From here, navigate specifically to Weebly by clicking on the relevant link that takes you to your site's overview page on Weebly. This will bring you to a space where you can monitor and adjust your site content effectively. Inside your Weebly dashboard, look for the website tab, click on it, which will unfold all available options. Next, you'll find the option to edit site. Select this to enter the backend editor where you can start making changes to your website layout and content. Now that you're in the editor, search for the text section. Clicking on it will expand a series of options related to text that you can modify. Here's where the magic happens. This step is crucial for gaining accessibility to all text elements on your page and ensuring you have a clear view of what you aim to adjust. Situated next to the text settings, you should see a three-dot icon which signifies additional options. Click on this icon. This will display a drop-down menu where you'll find the Move option among other functionalities. Choosing the Move option enables you to relocate the text block within your layout. Once you've clicked Move, simply drag and drop your text to the desired location on the page. This user-friendly feature makes it incredibly easy to customize where your text appears, allowing for endless possibilities in how your page is structured and designed. Remember, arranging your text in a way that's visually appealing and accessible can significantly impact the viewer's experience on your site. By following these steps, you should now be able to move text within your Weebly site with complete ease. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on designing your web presence.